There are many things you can do to try to increase the number of views on your YouTube channel and grow your audience. Here are a few tips that might be helpful. Create high-quality content that is engaging and relevant to your target audience. Use descriptive and keyword-rich titles, tags, and descriptions to help your videos show up in search results. Promote your videos on social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other creators and participate in YouTube communities related to your content niche. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and encouraging them to share your videos. Consistently upload new content on a regular schedule to keep your audience coming back for more. It's also worth noting that growing a YouTube channel takes time and persistence. It may not happen overnight, but if you keep creating and promoting high-quality content, you should be able to build a dedicated audience over time.